Hello, leadership class. It is our last week together. I'm trying not to get sad about it. I'm excited for summer for sure. It just is really, really sad that we're ending the way we are. So let's chat a little bit today. We've got our last week, obviously. I'm hoping that you guys are all finding a way to kind of finish things up, and hopefully you get to see your friends, and I'm hopeful to see some of you at drop-off days when you're dropping off your laptops and such, but I don't really know what the rules are for that or where I'll be or what I'll have to do. So if I don't see you guys at the end of the year here, please know that I've been thinking about you every single day. I love our online interactions. You can email me anytime, and I'm really hoping and praying that next year we are starting face-to-face. I miss being with you. Seniors, I'm so proud of you. Watching you grow from 7th grade to now has just been amazing, and I'm really, really proud of you. So congratulations, seniors. And then juniors, obviously, we've got next year together too, but stay safe this summer, okay? Be good, enjoy yourselves, but stay safe. This week for leadership, we're going to wrap things up. I'll go over the agenda for the week. You've got habit 7, reading and note taking today, and then you are going to practice sharpening your saw, which is a gift. Real quick note, remember, if you have one of my 7 Habits books, please return it to the high school office by Tuesday, June 2nd. That way you've got it for your final if you need it on Thursday and Friday this week. And let's talk about that. So today we've got Habit 7, reading, note-taking, and practice sharpening your saw. Tomorrow will be Habit 7 discussion board. And then Thursday and Friday are your final, which is Future of Leadership. There's a part 1, part 2 discussion board in Schoology. You can do those as soon as you're ready. Seniors, please remember you have to have all of your schoolwork done Friday. So if you want to finish that up Thursday, that way I can do your grades and have everything submitted to the high school office by Friday morning. But you do have Friday if you still need to work on that. Let's see. 11th graders, if you guys have anything missing, it will be due by June 2nd. I don't really think that'll happen with this crew, but if that is a concern for you, you do have until June 2nd, and then you guys, I think, will be bringing back your materials June 3rd and 4th. And I may or may not see you. I haven't heard yet what I will need to be doing those days, but I do plan being at school and hopefully seeing some of you. All right, so today we do have Sharpen the Saw, Habit 7. It's been quite a journey going through the habits. We did the private victory. We moved into the public victory with habits 4, 5, and 6. And now habit 7 is really about kind of bringing it back to your heart and your soul and figuring out how your human being part of it fits into all of this. So Sharpen the Saw, Habit 7 is pages 206 to 242. Remember to take your 1, 2, 3 notes. And then you do have a discussion board tomorrow that will include a question about what you did to practice sharpening your saw today. So find something to do. I may go play outside with my kids to sharpen my saw. I may take a nap to sharpen my saw. I like to cook to sharpen my saw. Sometimes reading helps me sharpen my saw, and so on. So you guys find something. You'll know more about that as you read through the chapter, the section for Habit 7 today. I miss you all dearly. Please email me if you have any questions. Farewell, seniors. I'm so, so proud of you, and I hope that I see you in the future. Okay? Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.